Good morning, dear traders, and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover USD versus Japanese yen. I will speak about gold market, crude oil, and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the USD versus Japanese yen first. So basically what we got here is the USD Japanese yen is still in a strong upside cycle and strong upside trend. And we can see basically that market is breaking today, and we had a breakout of the multi-day very narrow balance. So in the strong upside cycle, we have the breakout of the very narrow base. So my advice to watch for buying opportunities on intraday dips. And also upside objectives are set at 145.85, 147 mark, and 147.50 mark. So watch for buying opportunities on the intraday dips. If we speak about a gold market, we can see basically that the critical pivot is on the test. So we can see that on Friday we had a doji bar. So market closed well of the high and closed actually near the open, and it actually rejected from the middle Keltner line, which is a 20 exponential moving average. So this area around 1675 and 1683 is quite huge resistance. We're still in the downside cycle. And we can see basically some divergences that show up on the 4-hour time frame. On the 2-hour time frame, we can see that there is a momentum divergence. Market made higher highs and oscillator is making lower highs. So I will not be surprised if the market will try to retest 1645 and eventually to rotate towards, again, to reject this middle counter line on the daily time frame. In the background, we also saw that market is still trading below the key pivots, 1682. So definitely potential for the down cycle, or at least some down continuation or attempt to continue to the downside is in the play. So watch for selling opportunities on the gold market. If we speak about the crude oil, it's still very balanced market. We can see that we had some overlapping days so far today. We're still trading in full inside the previous day range, and there is nothing too much going on this currency pair on this market. But if we can clear 79.30, we can open a door for 76.60, and if we actually cleared 83 mark, 83.20, we can open a door for 85.90. So basically balanced market, and watch for potential breakout. On the rate of change 1, there is something interesting here. We can see that there was a breakout on this day here. There was a follow-through day, and we had basically 2 down days. And today, market is trading higher. And if we clear this, 82.70, 82.80 mark, this can be actually a good potential upswing, probably towards 85.60. And speaking of the Bitcoin versus US dollar, it's still heavy sideways regime. Market is in the huge balance. Now we have the resistance area around 20,300 mark, and I will say support area 18,000 mark. So watch potential breakout of this balance to confirm further direction. If we can clear 20,300 mark, we can open the door for 22,500 mark. From other side, if we clear the low at 18,200 mark, we can open the door for 70,500 mark, or even further towards 12,000 or 14,000 mark. So market is in balance, but watch for the breakout on this market. That'll be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe, and speak to you tomorrow morning.